Today I'm going to install the quad lock USB weatherproof charger. It comes with a pack of 5 nylon zip ties, an Allen key and 3 USB-A to USB-C cables. However, the port on the Speed 400 is a USB-C port, so you'll need to buy a USB-C to USB-C cable online. Maximum length I bought was a 30cm one. So you start by removing the index head and then installing the weatherproof charger on top of the vibration dampener, which I already had. This takes all of about 2 minutes in total and fairly easy to do, and it's literally a plug and play. So once you make sure everything fits up, just put the USB cable in, and it only charges when the engine is running. So once you turn the bike off, the power cuts to it, so it won't waste any battery life.